Hello, welcome to Multimarine Group. My name is Stelios Drakakis. I'm in charge of the business development for the Maritime Group, which is a multinational energy, naval, marine, and heavy steel fabrication group operated out of Cyprus as a headquarter in Limassol Port and out of two other bases, one in Greece, Alexandroupolis, and another in Antwerp, servicing the Benelux countries. We are a diverse company that is utilizing our expertise in heavy steel fabrication, shipyard, and oil and gas operations, mainly dealing in the Eastern Mediterranean. We have our shipyard facility in Limassol Port, inside Limassol Port, where we operate our own floating dock, Ireneos, of 127 meters. Our extensive facilities of workshop and warehousing inside Limassol Port, where we service all the local companies that are active in Eastern Mediterranean countries like Israel, Egypt, Greece, and very recently expanding to the United States. We are a local content company in Cyprus, and we are very proud of our origin in the Eastern Mediterranean, utilizing our expertise in fabrication and heavy steel for a variety of industries, spanning from the marine, offshore renewables, energy, and the so-called sustainable industries of the EU maritime sectors.